Crypto. Today I want to show you an indicator called the MACD. The MACD was created back in 1970 and it's been used since then till today on the stock market to tell you when is a good time to get into a stock and when is a good time to get out of a stock. So luckily for us, the folks at MarketWatch have put together a nice chart for crypto, specifically Bitcoin, and they also have the beautiful MACD chart to complement it. So what does this mean? Well, what does MACD even stand for? It stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. No, it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's actually quite simple. And you don't need to be a mathematician to understand. I do suggest you read a little bit on it so you can understand more about how the MACD works, because I'm not going to describe all the details, but I'm going to show you some. So right now we're looking at a year-to-date chart which shows from basically the beginning of the year till now. We see how Bitcoin has been trading, and so far, according to the simple moving average, it's been going quite up, which is great. We want to see that trend going up. However, when is the time to buy? When is the time to sell? Well, you should have different strategies for different things, but for a quick demonstration, I want to show you guys this. So, what is the MACD? When you start to see the MACD signal and the MACD histogram, that's the most important things to look at. So when this MACD line, which is the blue line, crosses over the signal line, which is the red line, and is above the histogram, or is starting to shoot above the histogram for about right here, this would have been the time to buy. Okay, this would have been a good time to buy because the MACD crossed the MACD signal line, which indicates a buying opportunity. So have you would have bought it at this price at 18,794 and sold when the MACD went down right here, where the MACD line went below the signal line, it was at $38,000. So you could have made a lot of money. At this point right here, you could have another signal was created, another buy signal. This buy signal was at $33,667. Now, had you bought at that price, you'd still be going up, and right now you'd be at $55,000. So this is just a quick example of how the MACD lines work and the MACD indicator works. You can do a 1 month, you can do a 10-day, you can do as many days as you want to go. Obviously, the shorter the days, the less you're going to see. But what you really want to do is look at 3 month, 6 month, year to date, and that gives you an overall average of where it's going. So if you bought around here on about February 3rd, you would have made a lot of money. So anyway, I just wanted to give a quick, simple example of how the MACD can help you buy and sell Bitcoin on a moment's notice. Thank you for listening to Angry Crypto, and we hope to hear back from you guys. Follow our channel. You can subscribe to it, and you can also